Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com. If you're new to my channel, welcome, bienvenidos. My name is Jessica Flores and I am a beauty-obsessed, fashion-loving, DIY project-making Latina mom from New York City, and I blog and vlog at Domesticated Me. Today, I'm so excited to share with you this latest Louis Vuitton purchase. This is a reveal, not an unboxing, because I've already used it a few times since I purchased it a couple of weeks ago. I just hadn't had the time to sit down and actually film this, but I put it back in its packaging because I thought it was so pretty and I enjoy watching that whenever I watch unboxing or reveals videos. That's just me. I don't know what your preference is. I am going to talk a little bit about the story of how I got this bag. It's part of what I do as a vlogger. I kind of explain where I was, how did I get it, were there any issues, are there any issues, etc., etc. But if you just want to head straight to the unboxing portion, then I will put in the timestamp on the description box below so you can go straight to that and you can just fast forward that. I get it, no problem. But for those of you who are interested in the story, I feel like this is part 3 of my Neverfull got destroyed saga. And if you guys watch those videos, I'll link to them below in case you didn't. But I had a Neverfull Ikat. It was a limited edition collection bag that the straps just looked like they melted onto the canvas, so it was completely destroyed. Louis Vuitton accepted it back and gave me not only the credit for what I purchased, but the credit for what the bag is valued at today. So although the Neverfull from the Ikat collection was about $1,300 and so plus tax, they credited me back $1,500. So with that, I had the credit there, and I was not sure what I wanted to purchase it. I felt like in the beginning, if I had a Neverfull and that credit was for a Neverfull, I should use that credit to buy my next Neverfull, because Neverfulls are just such amazingly useful bags. But I was not in love with the current Neverfull, limited edition Neverfull. So I kind of held on to it, and you guys told me, thank you for everyone who gave me your input, what you thought. Most of you told me if it's not something that you're automatically in love with, obsessed with from the very beginning, you should hold off until you see one that you do love. And so I was gonna hold off, and then I thought, well, I was in a hurry to buy something because my Neverfull is a bag that I travel with, and I was going to New Orleans for the holidays, and so I wanted a bag to replace it that I could travel with. If it wasn't gonna be the Neverfull, then I wanted something that I could travel with. And that is when I fell in love with this bag. I told you guys on my Instagram stories that I love this bag and asked if I should get it. And so if you don't follow me on social media, please do, because I post much more regularly there than I do on YouTube, and I often ask you guys questions. We can communicate a lot easier on social media. But if you guys did follow me, you know that I finally decided this is the bag that I want because I'm obsessed with this canvas, hint hint. And but when I went to get it, sold out everywhere. I actually went to the Fifth Avenue store because that is where I returned my bag, and then I spoke to someone there and they said, this line is not permanent. I don't know why people think that it's permanent. Once those bags are gone, they're gone, and right now that bag is sold out in the entire United States. There's not one left. So I was kind of heartbroken. I was very heartbroken about it. So I went to New Orleans without my new Louis Vuitton bag, and when I returned in mid-January, I had spoken to my SA, and she again tried to get it for me. She also told me that it was sold out, that she couldn't get her hands on it. But when I returned after the holiday season, I decided, let me just call the main number and see what they say. And sure enough, I called, and they were like, actually, we have one in New Jersey right now. Do you want to purchase it and we'll have it shipped to you? And I said, of course, yes. Sadly, almost exactly a day later, my SA called me and said, we just randomly got one. Do you want it? And I already purchased it. But anyway, this is the bag. So let's go ahead and open it up, and I can show you what I used my credit for. Now, my credit did not pay for this bag. This bag was more expensive than the Neverfull, so I just paid the difference. And because that Neverfull money was long gone, I felt like I just bought this bag for just, 500 or so bucks. So that I love. So here is the dust bag, and here we go. Here she is. Oh, I love this bag, you guys. This is the Louis Vuitton Monogram Eclipse Apollo Backpack. I love this bag. I am obsessed with this bag. It is so handy. I purchased a Chanel Grand Shopping Tote as my diaper bag, but if you're in New York City, you know how hard it is to travel with your stroller. So if I ever have to go into Manhattan or need to get on the subway, I refuse to take the stroller with me. I've only taken the stroller with me on the subway once, and it's horrible because the trains are packed. Sometimes people help you, sometimes people don't. So when I have her on my carrier, when I have her on my chest, this is it. I can't really wear anything that goes over my shoulder because the straps from the carrier, it just makes the tote slip right off. So I can't wear that, which is why, one of the other reasons why I love this bag, because this is the perfect bag. A backpack is perfect to carry around when you have your baby on your carrier on your chest, because it doesn't get in the way. It just goes over the straps this way. It's so useful, so handy. I've used it a number of times already because, I mean, it's a backpack. Backpacks are just useful, handy bags. I love the Monogram Eclipse. You guys know that. And I felt like this really, not completed, but really helped me towards a completed travel collection with the Monogram Eclipse. I have the Keep All 45 in Monogram Eclipse. I have a cosmetic pouch, the GM cosmetic toilet pouch they call it, in Monogram Eclipse. I'm thinking about getting the PM as well. And I definitely want the passport, but I don't need them right this second, so I haven't purchased them. But this bag is just so beautiful. It has such amazing details. That is what I really, really love about it. It's got a unique, the shape isn't technically unique, but some of the way that the bag is, some of the things of the design of this is what's unique. So if you look at it, it really is a regular backpack kind of shape, but the zipper goes across from here towards the front rather than straight up here in the back. So that gives it a little difference of a look and kind of a shape to it. This has a snap pocket. It's magnetic, so you can put something in here, and then it has the zippered pocket here, which is this whole compartment here. So it's a really, really nice size. I love this detail. This detail is one of my favorite. It's this leather strap sewn into it that has LVs. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. Love this detail. And of course I love that gunmetal kind of color hardware on it. It's so gorgeous. And it's got little black leather details every so often. The straps are really nice, really comfortable. They don't have a weird shape to them. I kind of find that the straps on the bigger Palm Springs backpack, it's a little weird to me. I haven't really looked at it closely in person, but those straps just look a little unique, I'll say. I won't say anything negative, they're just unique. These are just more, just regular kind of backpack straps, and it's got sort of nylon mesh right here in the back, so they're really, really comfortable, really beautiful. Again, here's some of that metallic, that gunmetal type of color. One thing I will say about the interior is that I did find a little strange, is that the material on the inside isn't, I don't know how to describe it properly, but it's not like glued to the canvas itself. So you see this corner right here? I can pull the material from the inside out. That's that corner. So this is different. I don't know if all their backpacks are like this, but I feel like most of the interiors that I've seen from Louis Vuitton, like the interior material is kind of glued to the lining. The lining is glued to the canvas. And so this is a little weird that I thought you might want to know. It also has a large pocket in here where I guess you can slip. That's where I've been putting my little SLGs just to keep them I can grab them easily here in the back. But yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. I love the details. I'm gonna try them on. I'm gonna try it on for you just so you can see how it is on me. So there you go. This is my Louis Vuitton Monogram Eclipse Apollo Backpack. I'm absolutely obsessed, in love. I adore this bag. So handy, so useful. I've used it quite a bit in just a couple of weeks that I've had it. I've actually tried not to use it. I was trying to do a true and true unboxing, but I just had to pull it out for a couple of reasons, a couple of events that I went to, and it's just so handy. You can fit so much in here. I love this. Love this bag so much. I couldn't recommend it more. As far as I know, there might still be that one Apollo backpack in Monogram Eclipse left in the Soho store. Otherwise, if you want it, act fast, because according to that sales associate I saw at the Fifth Avenue Louis Vuitton, once these bags are gone, they're gone for good. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and share if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and click that little bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you're notified as soon as my videos go out. Check out the description box below where I link to all of the products that I mentioned in my videos. I also have my mailing address. I'm going to be mailing out more cards to my subbies this year. I want to communicate more and more with you, so please send me your cards. We can start doing a little back and forth pen pal messages. I'd love that. And yeah, thanks again for watching. Stay tuned.